Hello everyone. Welcome back to another session again today, guys. In today's video, we are going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to use Jira, how to create a project platform on Jira. Okay, we are going to be able to create that platform. If you are a project manager, maybe a Scrum Master, or an IT project coordinator, or a product owner, you should be able to use this platform, be able to create that project platform on this Atlassian product to be able to host your project. Okay, we have a project that we are going to start working on it. The project is going to start by this weekend, and so we already have our environment set up. So what we are doing this for it, that project right now is to create that platform to be able to host our project on it. So this is an Alessian product, and it comes the Jira platform. It comes together alongside with Confluence. Okay, the same package. It comes together with Confluence, and Confluence is just one of the tools that you can use for documentation and collaboration when you have your project hosted on Jira. Okay, and Jira is that platform where you can be able to plan your work, okay, track your work, and releases your software product, or maybe any of the work that you're working that requires some planning, some tracking, and obviously documentation and reporting. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and create our platform today. So usually when you want to create that account, a Jira platform account, you can either go from Jira or you can go from Confluence. Either of these is going to lead you to the same direction because it comes alongside together as a common package. So let's go ahead and start the process. So I'm going to go ahead and copy our email. Just a second. Let me do this. Okay, I'm grabbing our email. So we're going to go from Jira as well as we can go from Confluence, but we'll go from Jira in this case. So I'm going to select Jira and I will move on. Okay, you can either select you can select Confluence as well. Okay, select Confluence right here, or you select Jira. Either of these is going to lead you to the same direction, but that is why I selected Jira, and we'll click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to require you to have put in your email, okay, your work email. This is the email right here, and with the email, and you're going to click on sign up. Okay, the good news is you can integrate that same Jira alongside with Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Platform, as well as Apple or maybe Slack. This Slack is just a kind of team channel where you constantly you can do status update. I mean chatting. Okay, starting chatting and communication. So let's go ahead. So we have our email. Okay, it says verify and activate your account. So I'm going to go right back into my email and we will check that verification from right there. So I'm going to pull my email right here and you can see the email account right here. I'm going to click on this, and once you click on this email, you have the verification right here, and I'm going to verify my email. And once that happens, it's going to require me to enter the full name. So the name of the group, I'm just going to have that right here, right now. I'm going to have that as forward, and that is the name of the group. And I'm going to have an, a password for that. And that is a secure password. Right from here, I'm going to do, okay, that's totally fine. This is the password, and I'll click on continue. So obviously it wants me to select this bicycle, and I'll verify that. Let's see what we have. Continue. And it wants me to select the bicycle again. Okay, this time around he wants me to select a boss, and that's it for the three uh, boss session. Let's see. Okay, boss again, and that's it. I'll verify that. Okay, let's say address has been verified. Let's see, continue. I don't know why it's requesting for multiple verification, but that is why you notice sometimes. So it's requiring me to verify staircases. I have all the staircases right here, and I should be able to verify that. Let's see what else. Oh, crosswalk. Okay, let's see this one. Crosswalk right here. Verify that. Continue. I don't know why this is happening. For some reason, it keep messing up. But I'm still going to have that again typed in and the password again. Okay, let's see what we have. Click on that. Okay, yep. So requesting for bosses. This one is selected. No, that one. Yep. And let's verify. Boss again. Okay, tractor. The tractor is right here, and I've just verified that. Wow, it keep requesting for additional verification, guys. This is crazy. Bicycle, oh Lord, this is really crazy, guys. Crosswalk again. Why is this happening, guys? Why is this happening? Let's see. This is supposed to be very easy. I don't know why this is happening. Cars. This is a car, and that's it. Those are the cars right here. And okay, nice. So we have the platform, guys. That is good. So that's our email, and we do not have any site right here. So we are just going to go ahead and proceed. Let's see. No site. We do not have any site right here. And we should be able to proceed from here without no hitches, right? Okay, or whatever, we can still just have that right here because usually it just wants you to have some domain. I'm just going to go ahead and put just forward right here. And so it says your site name uh, must be three or more lowercase letter and a number. So and okay, okay, that's fine. So at least three case lowercase letter and a number. So I'm just gonna have a forward one maybe. Let's see. Letters and or numbers. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to have three lowercase. Yep, let's have a lowercase right there, and that isn't working. Let's see. Forward one. That's it. Or I could just say, I could just say group, for instance. Okay, great. So I have that right here, and we'll go ahead and click on agree. This platform is really messy today, and right, it's really messy today compared to the way it works sometime with me. So it has a welcome. We kind of okay, work to do. They said, what kind of work do you do? Okay, so we do. This is a software project that we're planning to work on, And so I'm going to click on select software development. Okay. Once you select software development, let's see. Okay, so you can select just one. Okay, you can select just one of these. It can be software development, IT, marketing, design, and sales, finance, and HR. So select software development from right there. And so right here is requesting for you to select what are some of the, you know, could it be a typical project management project? You can select project management, you can select sprint planning or issues, issue tracking. So it depends on the type of work that you're doing. If you are doing maybe a typical agile work and you are maybe implementing the Scrum framework, you want to select sprint planning. But if you are doing a project that you do not implement a specific agile framework, it's just a general project management project, select project management. Or if you maybe have just some work, maybe some HR work, you are not implementing any specific agile framework, or maybe you are not treating it like a typical project, go ahead and just select issue tracking. So I'm going to select sprint planning from here and we'll click on get started. So the platform is loading and personalizing our workspace. Just just a moment and we should be able to have the platform built up. It's currently just building up right now. And right after this, it should be taking us to maybe requesting to know what is my role on that project, and we'll go from there, guys. Let's give it a moment and wait and see what it's going to be. Okay, all right, fantastic. So based on the all the information that we entered, so usually you just have the project, okay, platform created right from here. So it says something gone wrong. Our team has been notified, and if any problem persists, please contact the Alician support team. So they say something went wrong. I'm going to refresh that again. Let's see what happened. Okay. And so that is it, guys. This is a platform right from here, and we should be good from here because you already have this is your Scrum board right from here. You have your to do items right from here. Although it keeps saying there's something went wrong. It looks like we're missing some of the features of the pages. So I'm just reloading that again to see what happened. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay. It keeps saying error. And maybe an error occur. I'm going to reload that again once more. And let's see what is going to happen. So you shouldn't have any issue once you're doing this. Okay, I'm going to just ignore that, and if I have any issue down the road, I'm going to um, contact the support team, which is easy. It's going to be easy for us to be able to work from there. And right from here, it's practically it's easy. Okay, so like I said, it comes as a package, and if you go from here, you should be able to access Confluence as well. Okay, this is it from right here, and this is a Jira software, and you can be able to access Confluence. This is Confluence right from here. I can click right there, right from here, and it will take me to the Confluence page. Okay, so let's say try it now, and that's how you activate your Confluence page. And that's it. Get started. Okay, so it's loading. So it's supposed to load the Confluence page as well, from where you can do some documentation and collaboration with your team members. So once that is loading, I'm going to uh, pick this up And let's go to a new browser while that one is loading, and let's see if we can access the Jira platform itself. So we'll go to home page, to our home page, and this is the project. Okay, you can create more other project. This is a project, and you can go from here, and this is the first project. But you can edit this project. Okay, rename the project as necessary. And let's see, you can edit this project, and you can observe. Maybe you have your work recent. Okay, these are the recent places that you viewed, and this is the board, and this is the uh, queue, and this is a filter. You can filter your work item, and this is also, you can create dashboards. Okay, visualization dashboard right from here, like matrices, or okay, matrices, and you can have some visualization. You can create teams right here as necessary, and these are application like Slack and uh, Easy BI, okay, and also some Power BI for analytics, okay, and your dashboards. And you can go ahead and create work items as necessary. So let's see from here. Yeah, so if you click from here, you'll be able to create a work item, okay? So this is new story, meaning you're creating a new work item, and you can give the work item title right from here. Let's see. And you can assign, and once you maybe create a few work item, okay? Let's go ahead and create a work item. A work item. Let's see. First of all, I want to make sure that I have this project name. I want to edit this project name. Okay. Let's call it. I want to call it forward project, and that's it. That's the project right there. Forward project, and I should be able to create that. Okay. The name is right here. Okay, it's fine. But when you create this project, okay, let's create maybe I'm just going to call it work item 1. Okay, work item 1. Let's say, okay, to be our first item, and obviously the status is to do. It's going to be under to do, not in progress. It's going to be under to do, not in progress, or done. It's supposed to be under to do when you create a work item as first. And you can give a brief description, okay, okay. And the brief description of the work item, you could just say new Jira platform, okay. And you can give a description of your work item right from here. And assign, you do not need to necessarily assign the work item. Team members, they're going to pick that up. And if you have any labels, you can assign some label to it. And obviously, you do not yet have any iteration. You haven't created any sprint yet, and that'll be it. And that's just to show you how to create a work item. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. And once you save that, you're going to see the work item. It will show up under to do right here. So I'm going to refresh that. We will see the work item. The work item is going to show up on our backlog right here. The first work item is right here under our backlog. Okay, and right from here you can start creating sprints. Okay, the different sprints based on the different dates. Okay, and you see it says add dates, so you can create sprints right from here. And okay, that's it. And you can edit that sprint, call it sprint 1. Okay, you can call that sprint 1. And tomorrow is Wednesday, and we want to custom it in, let's say it's a bi-weekly sprint, okay? Because Agile recommends 1 to 4 weeks, so our ideal sprint length is going to be 2 weeks. And obviously, our start date is tomorrow. It's on the 20th, Wednesday the 20th, right from here, and that's our end date, and we will update that. Okay, that's our sprint 1. and we can add another spring. Let's see. Yes, so with this first spring, whenever we going to work through the spring, get done with the spring, we can um, create a next spring, okay, as necessary. So that is it. And so during spring planning, we can obviously just drag the item and drop in this spring during the spring planning, okay? So this item is in the spring at this time. But other than that, the item is in the backlog right now until the day of our spring planning. So that was it for this video. We do not want to make the video to be too long, but kindly if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and and probably subscribe to our channel because we are going to start working on this project moving forward, and obviously we want to do more videos in order to share with you how to quickly you'll be constantly navigating and updating your project as you're working on the Jira platform. So, like I said, this is the Confluence is fully loaded, and you can actually go to the Confluence. And what you need to do from here is just to create a Confluence page. Obviously, when you have it right here, you will need to create a page. Okay, create a page for whichever reason, for your communication, for your collaboration with your team members, and making sure that you're tracking the project that you're working on real time, having real time update of the project. So it says what brings you to Confluence, create a work creating a knowledge base, okay, collaboration across teams, and okay, and also trying it new. So let's say you click that on collaboration across teams because that's the main thing, um, the main use of Confluence and all of it. Okay, so you need to invite your team members. They could be maybe you guys could be working on Google Cloud or maybe on Microsoft Cloud. So you can be able to invite those team members. Okay, and once you're done you click on finish, and obviously you have your Confluence page right here. Alright guys, not to keep the video to be too long, I'm going to end it right here, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for coming on, and we'll see you next. Bye.